Okay, hey, this is gonna be a comedy video. Today, DJI released something, and every brand has it. Once for a while, they release something. I don't even know what is this for. So today, DJI, they released something called DJI Flip, the drone, the new one. I have really no idea. When I saw it like 4 or 5 hours ago, I think they released it. So I have no idea what it is, where this thing came from, and what is this for. I watched the whole video about the from the release. So I don't know. It looked like this kitchen drying like a machine for fluid or something. Basically, mini version of the DJI. So I have no idea what it is for. The weight is the same. The look is like horrible. It's literally horrible. It's actually kind of big. I don't think it's gonna be very well controllable like mini series. They have like these protections. That's all it is, really. The size is nothing small because of this whole like rounded protection thing. I think DJI will be better if you like more likely focus on the maybe obstacle avoidance system and all that stuff. I don't even know how this is gonna help really, but I remember 2-3 times when I hit the tree or something, when it falls down, it's gonna be crushed. So either way, it's like it's average idea. At least you will have to like bump maybe at home or somewhere in the property inside when you have a flat walls and just hitting the walls on something. But either way, like if you do it, use it outside somewhere close to the like trees, branches, leaves, stuff like this. I don't think it's gonna be super helpful. And actually for Mini you can also buy protections, so you can use this propellers protections whatever you want to. I don't know. No, I understand that they want to release something new, and with this small FPV what they released for $200 is actually something. Okay, quality is average. It's 4K, but its quality is average. But it is something to start. As a FPV, it's good to have it because it's cheap. Also has some protection, so it's just easier maybe to secure this drone when it hits something. It was something, but this flip, I don't know. I completely don't understand it. The one thing that Flip has is two things actually. The battery is worse than Mini. I think that by half. So I think that Mini is able to fly 45, 6, 7 minutes and Flip only 20 something. Big disadvantage. And I saw like they advertised this Flip flying above the like a lake or something. I would never do this with something that has only 20 few minutes of battery. I would be scared if I have 40 something minutes because we are going out. What is 20 few minutes? Where are you gonna land in this? I don't know, pointless. The good thing about this is that this has 4K, and I like actually slow-mo because people are saying that we don't need slow motion in drones. This is a big mistake. We need that because you can like fly slower and you have the same effect. But that is not the same. Like for example, I'm often like flying somewhere. I keep the drone over there, and I wanna record something, right? Steady shot. So slow motion is actually highly necessary. And when I'm doing like a panning movement or something, I also want to have some like a slow motion effect. So this is something great. And also they added something that it is new, I think, in drone industry, that you can connect the microphones, the regular version of DJI and Mini. So the cheaper options. That's basically it. Yeah, I think that the Flip is pointless. Well, this is like a fun video to make. I love DJI. Like they release this crazy stuff for bikers. So this is something completely new. The motor and the whole motor system for bikes. So this is amazing, and this is completely like a different direction for DJI. And it's great. It's really great. People are testing it, and like I'm riding downhills and regular tracks. So I do like this approach. It's amazing. All the drones are amazing, but this specific one, I don't know. I'm kind of curious because of the propellers are weird. How it's gonna like perform. Wind can be obstacle. It's better to have like a smaller propellers with like a higher speed. So I assume that if like wind gonna hit this drone with this big propellers, these protections, and like weight 250, it's gonna just smoke this and it's gonna disappear. And I even saw the shots from Chicago they have. It had to be very stable when they recorded it, because I think this drone gonna be smoked. This little wind and out. Mini gonna handle, but this one with this, you know, huge propellers and size overall protection is gonna and disappear. So yeah, DJI really is something, from my perspective, something unusable. Everything else, masterpiece. Yep. Comment down below what do you think about the Flip. Would you use it for something, or would you prefer to have like a mini series 3, 4, 4 Pro, or so, like Avatar or something? Because this one is completely, for me, unusable. I think it's gonna be problematic to fly. Guys, like and subscribe, stay with me. Links down below to drones and all equipment I have, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya.